Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
All right, welcome. It is Sunday, May 10th. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there in the US and all you mother lovers out there. It is time to trade some gold. We're here for the Asia session. I need to call my mother as soon as we're done with this session here, because I've had that on my list all day and have had just the kind of day where I haven't done that yet, and I'm ashamed. But we're going to do it right after the session. In the meantime, we're looking at let me just make sure you're looking at what I'm looking at. Yeah, okay. We're looking at right here in the center screen right here, we're looking at gold futures. Everywhere else we're looking at spot gold, but we're executing on gold futures, so that is in the center of our screen right here now. It's trading at 47.04, but we're really interested in the price here at 46.95, 46.96, which is where spot gold is. I wanted to short from here, but it reversed from a spot where I was kind of expecting it to reverse earlier than it did. All right, let's slip into little, get into the zone, and let's see what we're dealing with here. We have gold right now sitting at 46.95, sitting right below the DM2 pivot, which is now acting as resistance. You see what gold did here on the open. Gold opened right here at this turquoise vertical line. The blue vertical lines are the drop that gold experienced right at the open. Dropped all the way down to 46.80. Now right there at, what is that? The D, can't even see what that is over here. What is that? The DS1. The DS1 pivot. So this rectangle here, this white rectangle, is where I put price. I put that box there when I sat down just a little bit before we started. Price was in that box. It's now trying to break out above it. Looks like it might do it, at least for a little while. Maybe we short the retest here. All right, this is the same thing on a 5-minute chart. You're looking at it here with all of my indicators on it. We can go over those at some point. Try not to get too confused with them. I'll get rid of them here just so you see what the indicators are and aren't. Oh, you know what I didn't do was mark last week's low and high of the week. I'm going to do that. But here we are. Sunday opening range. On the 5-minute chart, you can see we've just kind of broken out of it a little bit here. We'll see if that continues. We've got the dollar that took a trip up just as gold took a trip down, but has been falling since. Right? And it looks like yields. No, nothing's really changed there. Okay. We've got the gold volatility index at 26.48, and we have the VIX where it sits right now at 20.31. So not too bad for volatility. All right, let me put the indicators back on this chart just so when I come back to it, I'm like, what? I don't understand my chart. Okay. Well, our bullish thesis for this session has been shattered. We are in a bearish market right now. We're kind of riding a technical bounce. As you can see on the 5-minute chart, as we showed you here, it came down. We're bouncing up. Probably going to topple over here at some point. Start coming back down again. Conversely, if it keeps going up, if it gathers some steam and keeps going up, you know, once we get above 4704, especially 4708, we can continue on up to 4715, 4720, maybe even further. Okay, I'm going to open the Zoom room. Oh, my apps all went out of order here. There we go. That's what I was looking for. All right, let's get this Zoom room open. All right, let's change the camera angle and the lighting.
What's good, man?
Hey, Tono.
How you
Good.
doing?
I'm doing all right. What's new with you? How's the weekend?
What's good, man? The trading earlier, it was $200 profit. Now it's $76 profit. But I'm looking to let it run up back up to fill the gap tonight or tomorrow.
Oh, okay. So you
So it's
put a
gonna be a
buy
long,
in?
yeah, put a buy in because it's 9 times out of 10 it fills the gap at 7:15.
Yeah,
So I'll see what happens before I go to bed. I'll put a depending hedge in if I have to,
right,
but hopefully it'll fill it before then. Hopefully.
right.
It's a lot of resistance at 98 and that on the daily pivot chart that might keep it from doing it tonight. Might need London session to do it.
I am testing out a new Wi-Fi system upgrade here at.
Okay.
So hopefully, let me know. Every once in a while, you tell me that my screen is blurry or something. That the numbers are blurry, and I'm trying to.
No, it's actually as clear as it's ever been today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good. Okay.
it's pretty clear. That looks good. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I created a new indicator over the weekend that I back tested, man, and it is very impressive.
Really?
Oh yeah, it's real impressive, man. I got everything in it. I put the breaker structure. I put the um what break of structure, liquidity sweeps, um, liquidity zones. What else? I got it all in there.
Wow.
I'll send it over. I'll send the photo over in our chat so you can see what it looks like, and it's clean. That was the main thing. I wanted it clean. I wanted it to be clean.
Right.
Hold on a second. I'll also send you what it does. You have it now, so you can look at it when you finish trading.
Okay. Cool. So is it like a one indicator and everything?
One indicator and everything. The dashboard has the gold price,
Mm-hmm.
time frame you're going to trade it on. If you put it on a 1 minute chart, it'll go to 1 minute. You put it on a 5, it'll go to 5, 10-second, whatever. Then it has the trend time frame for the current trend that you're on that chart.
Yeah.
Then it has the higher time frame that you want to put it on. Like I put it 1 hour as the high time frame for us, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then it has the Dixie, the U.S. 10-year yield, and it has the real yield prices. So we
Mm-hmm.
can see them fluctuating up and down. Then it has the breaker structure, change of character, the volume, volatility, liquidity score, the bull score, bear score, and then it has a
Wow.
signal that tells you to either wait or go into the buy or sell. And it's been pretty much. It took me like 8 hours to build it, but
Wow.
because I kept tweaking it and kept tweaking it and kept tweaking it until I got it to it. It's almost near there. I would say almost. I don't want to say perfect, but it's damn near perfect, man.
Wow. Okay.
You know.
That's right.
Yeah. I gotta give you access to it if you want it. So remind me to put your email
Okay.
in it. It's hard, man, looking at your profit margin go from $200 plus to 90 to $100 negative.
Yeah.
But it's a long-term trade, but it's still rough, you know.
Yeah. I was gonna short this.
What are your spreads like? Are they all right? Because mine are pretty high.
Mm. Can't see right now. Yeah, normal.
Normal. Okay.
Should have taken it. I was watching that trade since I sat down. I was waiting for that.
Right. Where do you see it, a 92 or higher?
I just wanted to short it from the DM2 more or less.
Okay.
Now I feel like it's gone without me. But yeah, I should have been in that. That was my trade.
Yeah. I took it. I'll just jump in it now just to get a couple of dollars out of it. Still think it got a room to go.
Yeah, I think so.
From this indicator, says it does.
Looks like it wants to bounce.
Yeah.
Nope. Ah, fuck.
That was $60.
Yeah.
I got take profits and stop losses on the indicator too. That's why I knew not to get out.
Really?
Yeah. I said the take profit on the take profit 2 is 82, right? And I went and took it right down to 82. Alrighty.
$50.
Good. I came in a little later than you, so I'm still holding.
So this new Wi-Fi system that I bought, about $1,800.
Really?
So what I had was this Google Nest system.
Right. Familiar with it.
So I had, the main point, and then I had like 4 satellites around the house.
Okay.
But they were always interfering with each other, or overloading. Like they couldn't, if I turned on all the speakers in the house and like wanted to listen to music all throughout the house, it couldn't handle the load. I could only run so many speakers at a time.
Mm.
And once you overloaded it, it would take, you know, several minutes sometimes to like readjust itself. And so like then your whole system would slow down, or your, you know, your TV would stop, and you just have to wait for a couple of minutes for it to figure itself out and come back. And then it was just really finicky all the time. So I did some research with ChatGPT about, you know, what system would be best for my setup here. And the fact that, you know, we're in Manhattan and it's a very noisy environment in terms of Wi-Fi signals all around you.
Right.
And it recommended this system to me called Orbi, O-R-B-I.
Okay.
And I got the main base plus 2 satellites. And
Nice.
it seems to be covering our whole house right now. I'm just kind of hoping that the bandwidth is enough to support the streaming that we do every day and not poop out on me.
Well, so far, this is the best it's looked, so it's doing something right.
That's great. Okay.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I'm placing any trades on my prop because the spread is up there. It's really wide for some reason.
And that's on Oanda?
Oanda, yeah.
Through FTMO?
FTMO. And what I noticed today at 6 o'clock, Oanda doesn't open up until 6:05.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yep, that's right. I have the Oanda charts on my trading view. That's what I look at mostly.
Yeah.
And yeah, they don't open until 6:05. I've noticed that.
So I watched it drop from 47.15 down to 47.80.
Yeah, 46.80. Yeah.
46.80, and there's nothing you could do because the charts ain't open on it. You know,
Right.
not like that really sucks. You know.
Yeah. I have stopped trying to trade that stuff. You know, just because I get burned more often than I come out on top, and I'm just like, nah, I'm just going to wait for the market to come back to being, you know, predictable.
Right. That's a small thing. Don't trade at 6 o'clock anyway. I always wait at least until 6:20. I wait for all the noise to clear.
Yeah.
You know. But the problem is, I wanted to put a buy-in at the low of the market today at 46.80.
Yeah.
But by the time it turned on, I couldn't get into 46.93.
Right.
So that's you know, 93. What is that? 93 minus 80 is 13 pips.
Yeah.
13 times 50 is $650 that I'm not going to get.
Right.
Now, you know what I mean?
Right. Yeah.
But if it pays out, it's still going to pay out over $1,100, so I'm not too concerned.
Right.
My question is, because of what's going on, the gaps normally get filled. However, if they come up with this ceasefire, it ain't going back up. You know what I mean?
Right. There isn't going to be a ceasefire. The Iranians have no interest in, like they want to drag this out because the longer it goes, the worse it is for Trump right now.
Right.
And the worse it is for America because they know that Trump doesn't have the political support to send in ground troops.
Right.
They know that they can survive the blockade for several months, and that Trump doesn't really have several months because the longer the blockade lasts, the worse everybody's economy gets, including the United States. And Trump's got the midterms coming up. So the Iranians have him over a barrel.
I was also saw somebody saying that the airlines have enough oil to last like 23 days.
Yeah, like in Europe, yeah, they're or maybe here too. Yeah.
Here too, yeah, they're saying 23 days they won't even have enough fuel to fly planes.
Wow.
You know, like what is, you know, you took a buy?
Yeah, no, I took a sell, and I'm I'm in, I should get out. 66 negative.
I took the buy.
Maybe it'll come back for me.
Yeah, it's just negative. I'm negative too, so it can go either which way. Did you hear they were saying that the Iranians hacked the UEA.
Oh, the
Did you
UAE?
hear about
Yeah.
this?
No.
Yeah. And they sent missiles from them to Israel
You're kidding me. I
through the
hadn't seen
back
this.
door. Through the back door, right?
Oh, wow.
And they said we can't even respond because you would have to bomb them instead of the Iranians because that's where the missiles came from.
Right. Right. I need to see that. That's crazy. I can't believe that.
Yeah.
Did you get out of your buy?
No, I'm $56 short on it.
We're on support all over the place now.
Yeah.
On the 15-minute, the 1 hour, 5-minute, and the 1 minute. Got the DS1 right below us.
Yeah, yep, 81 is what it's hitting at.
We're also sitting on support everywhere. But we've got a lot of weakness in gold right now.
We're down to today's low, so I'll be gonna break it. Be right back.
Okay. I'm gonna take this a little short here. I think it's trying to break below here. 46.80. Yep, there we go. Take that. $63.
Nice. Coming up on a bull volume on the 5 minute.
Yeah, that's the MPP also is right there. But I think if it stalls here, comes back up and tests 46.80, then we have another short. Okay, 46.80, here we are. Did you end up hedging your long?
No, I'm still in it. $109 negative. I'm in at 87.
What are you trading though? You're trading spot? No.
No, this is on the prop spot.
Oh, prop spot.
I've got my trade in on my main accounts at 93.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to hold that overnight if I have to, but I'm just doing some short scalps on this one here.
Yeah.
So now I'm $178 negative on it.
Damn it.
You gonna buy or sell?
I'm gonna sell, and now I'm 90 bucks negative. Oh wow, it's really taking me for a ride now.
Are we on Zoom? I mean
YouTube, yes.
YouTube? All right.
Yep. Should have gotten out of this. I still think it's coming back, so I guess
Yeah, it's been repeating itself, you know.
yeah.
81 to 76, 75.
Now this is gonna stop me out.
How heavy is it?
222 right now.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a bummer. I was up. Session, I was up quite a bit. That's it. It's stopping me out now.
Look like it might be hitting. Stopped you.
Stopped one of them out. I'm trading 3 micros, and it stopped one of them out, but 2 of them are still in. Not sure why. There it goes. That stopped out the other ones.
It's being a bitch. I'm 2 pips away from getting out. It's like teetering. You want to call it because you shouldn't put too much risk on if you had that big loss.
No, I don't want to call it. One minute for 8:30.
I would have been off taking a $15 loss. Been out of this fucking trade.
Mm-hmm.
It's just wearing me out.
There you go.
Trying to get back up. It's like my OCD bothers me because I can have a perfect win rate and I'll take a $3 loss just to get out of a trade. It'll knock my win rate down. I'm like, really? Do you really count that? Do you really count that? You know, like,
Right.
come on, man.
Right.
You
Well,
know,
you can keep your own stats. You can decide not to count that one, you know.
yeah. Just the fact that somebody's counting it
Right.
bothers me. Like right now, I'm $1.80 negative. If I took that, it'll mess up my stat.
There you go.
All right. I'll take it. I'm out. $14. Stayed in it. I would have made money on it. You ever like have a problem with your, like I'm at $92, 85 cents,
Mm-hmm.
and I can't go to sleep on that.
Yeah, I never have that problem.
No, I got to get it to at least 100. It'll bother me all night knowing that I'm like that many dollars away. But tonight, I think I'm gonna just live with it. Yes, I see a definite move. Take this buy. Maybe just give me $8. I'll be happy. There's something at 92 that's stopping this thing. I don't see anything.
I'm going up or coming down?
Going up. Keeps hitting 92 and coming back down.
Yeah. I think it's still bearish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it hit it. Yeah, now I'm negative. Something is at 92. It is banging it down.
It's I see the what's called the VWAP point of control.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing now. Yeah. That's exactly what it is. Damn it. I bought right into it.
I'm gonna take it down.
Mhm.
I guess I'll just get out.
I knew you was in the trade.
What's that?
You were in the trade?
Yeah. I took it down.
Okay, good. No news tomorrow? No. back up to that 92 resistance.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not being very nice.
Look like it wants to run, but it's tricky. This thing does not want to let me out of this 92.
Hmm.
It's just playing games.
But it went up to 94 about 10 minutes ago, though, didn't it?
I don't think it let me. I'm at 92, 96. So it didn't
Oh.
hit that. I was like $7 close to getting out,
Oh.
and it turned around. I should have just. That's what I said. I got to learn to take those small losses. You know what I mean? As opposed to being stuck in a trade that I can't take anything. I'm losing money because I can't go up or down because I'm
Right.
already in it.
Right.
You know.
Yeah. Yeah. I hate
So I'm
that.
watching all of these small moves pass me by. I just got to swallow these small losses and keep moving.
There you go. Almost.
Almost.
Take your $7 loss.
Yeah, now I'm at $20, 20 plus. Should have just took it. Now I'm at $7 loss. Should I take it? Should I take it? I can't do it. I can't do it. Just go up a little more, you bastard.
There it is. There it is. There it is.
Almost. Why is my $10 $12 negative though? That doesn't make sense.
You got out and it gave you negative?
No, I'm in at 946.92.96. It was at 42.92.96, and I was $12 negative.
Oh,
So how is that possible?
Probably spread. Or the commission or something.
Maybe it's commission. Damn, that sucks. That really sucked.
It'll get you there. Are you still in?
I'm still in it. 14 negative.
Got this resistance right here on the 1 minute.
I'm about to take a loss because I can't deal with this all night.
Yeah.
It gets back up to like 12 negatives, I'm out. This is bullshit. Yeah, this is crap. I was out with a $12 loss. Now I'm 45 negative. It really doesn't make sense because the commission was paid first, right? The spread was covered first.
Well, you pay the commission on the entry and the exit, right?
I guess you do, right? I guess that, I got to look into that. It didn't make sense. I should have been at break even. I never saw that on Plexi Trade though.
Right. Well, I should have stayed in.
Yeah, I'm in it too.
Oh, damn. That's my weakness. That's the thing. I should have stayed in. That was one of those. God damn it. I saw that. And I didn't stay in it. I just took my $70 and got out. Bad move, Mike, bad move. Still a win, but bad trade. There. 72. There we go. Another 72.
Nice. You make
So-
your money back up.
Yeah, I'm back up to 113 positive for the session.
All right. We saw on that. Mad 222.
Nice.
But I'm negative on that sell at 92 trade. I can't get out of that up. What I made doesn't even matter.
You get out of it. If not tonight, you get out of it tomorrow. That's the one you originally put in?
Yeah, I've been holding it for a while now.
That you put in like right at the opening when you thought it was gonna go up and you were gonna hold it all night?
No. That's I'm talking about. I'm 250 negative on the Oanda account.
Oh, okay.
The other account, I'm $900 negative on.
Got it.
I'm about to put a hedge in on it because I'm getting a little nervous that it's not going to fill that gap the way I
Right.
expected it to.
Yeah.
Yeah, what I did with this, I gave it $1,000, actually $1,100 to be negative and $1,100 for profit, like a break even. And it's just teetering on 850 negative.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't like it when I have a winning trade drawdown was equally negative
Yeah, or more. That happens to
or
me a lot.
more. You know what I mean? I just
Yeah.
I can't. It doesn't sit well with me.
I missed 2 great trades tonight.
You did?
Yeah, missed them. I gotta
That
show you
would be-
this. So we got 1 minute for 9 o'clock, so watch out.
Yeah, I wanted to be out of this trade by 9.
It had other plans for you. Look at this text that I just sent you on your phone.
Yeah.
So the AI, you know, I've been using the, you know, the one image to like, and I'll say like make another image, make an image just like this, but change the date. Make another image just like this and change the date. And
Right.
over time,
It
it has made us the same color.
It all aged me too.
It
Funny.
It aged you, it aged me, and it made us the same color.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. If the world was like that,
Yeah.
it'd be a better world.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
So,
nice. Plug it in it now. Ah, it just showed me a bunch of money and then it took it away.
yeah.
Ah, not do it. Don't do it again. Don't do this again to me.
Nine o'clock.
Oh, why did I do this? Now I'm 108 negative, and this it's gonna take me forever to build this back tonight. I should have just quit. God, the fucking damn it.
Look like it's coming down.
Bears are fighting.
Where you in at?
I'm 54 negative right now. 60, 30.
Okay.
Man, just let me get out. Come on, just let me get out. Now I'm 75 negative. 84 negative. Come on, jazz hands, get down there. Oh, it had me at 0 for a second. I get stopped out again.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Fucking 92 wall, man. It was
Oh
right
yeah,
there.
we're back up there, aren't we?
It was right there. Unbelievable.
Hit it again. There it goes.
I'm out. Dang. Perfect.
Nice. I got out right when you did.
I'm
You know where
at
that
274 for the day. And that negative trade that was 8 something is now 146 in profit.
nice.
So it was a good night. I don't think I'm taking another trade.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Are you up?
I'm $1 negative.
Oh, $1 negative, man. You almost made it out.
Yeah, with commissions and everything, let's see that. Where does that puts my accounts at about $30 negative with all the commissions and everything.
Wow.
So tonight, like my problem was, I made 2 bad trades. Both of the bad trades cost me about $250.
Mm-hmm.
So I made 200. No, I made so both trades cost me $250. That's $500. So I made $499 in positive trades. But
Okay.
because of my 2 bad trades, I'm $1 negative. And so this is a trading problem that I have to solve, and I have to basically it's like I can't afford to lose $250 in a trade. So do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I lost $500, but I'm ending the night $1 negative, so that means that I made $499. If I hadn't lost $500, I would have made $499.
I just put your Mike underscore McCready, right?
No,
Trading View.
on TradingView, no, I'm MJ McCready, I think.
Hold on. MJ. Let's see. I'm not seeing that pop up.
MJ McCready, just a second, let me double check. Yeah, MJ McCready.
All one word, like mixed together?
Yeah, MJMCCREADY.
It's not showing up.
Let me see my profile.
You sure? Because there was a Mike McCready.
Let's see, I'm opening my profile now. see, how can I share my profile? I'm seeing it. I'm seeing my profile. Let's see. Privacy and preferences. What do I say? Anyone can see my online status. Anyone can start a private chat with me. I don't have any blocked users, so you're not
So
blocked.
MJ, MC, Ciara,
EADY.
EADY. Okay, now I see it. All right. I wanted you to, if you get a minute and you don't trade tonight,
Yeah.
throw this indicator on your on a blank chart, right?
Okay.
What I do is, just so you know, I on the indicator, if you click on the the settings
Yeah.
and go to style,
Mm-hmm.
I click off the background color, background color 1 and background color 2. They just dusty up the chart,
Okay.
right? And then you want to make sure that all of the on this inputs that everything is checked from show break of structure down to take profit and loss. Show take profit and loss, right?
Okay.
The other thing I add is the that support and resistance
Wait a
indicator.
minute. Which one is it that I'm supposed to? I see
Coda SMC
Coda. Oh, Coda SMC Elite. Okay.
Elite, right?
Okay.
Make it a blank chart, right?
Yeah.
And then I add the support and resistance indicator, right?
Yeah.
So that I can see support and resistance lines. And I get rid of that, like I said, go to the style and check off those first 2 boxes.
Background color off. Background color off. Okay. And the
Yeah.
inputs, I check everything.
Inputs, check everything from show dashboard down to show TPSL,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Because I'm gonna tell you what I've noticed today with you. When you were entering trades that went against you,
Yeah.
this was telling me sweep right before you entered.
What do you mean it was telling you sweep?
Like you were ready to take a sell, and the
Yeah.
long sweep would pop up, which would stop me from selling.
Oh.
Where you sold, it actually reversed and went up. You follow me?
Yeah.
So if you follow those, you wouldn't jump in on those sells or those buys if the sweeps were telling you the opposite was about to happen. And the opposite happens almost 99% of the time. So I noticed that there were like 3 trades that you didn't have to get into if you were looking at that particular indicator. Now, I'm not saying this is the be all in all indicators, but I think it'll help you with your entries better.
Help me understand it. So let's. I'm looking at it on the 1 minute right now.
All right, let me get out of this one. All right, the 1 minute.
Yeah. And where would you see this sweep thing that you're talking about?
All right, you want to put it on a 1 second or a 10-second chart first.
Oh, okay. I'll put it on a 10-second here.
Because you're really scalping your things a lot, right?
Yeah, 10-second. Okay, I'm looking at it on a 10-second now.
Look at it on a 10-second. Drag it over to 8:53 p.m. where you see the green long sweep long.
8:53. Okay. What do you mean? I see a sweep long? I don't see anything.
You see the that little you're not on XAU, right?
Yeah.
You are on XAU?
Yes.
Okay, then you should see a sweep long symbol label at 10:53. The 10:53 candle.
I don't see anything that says sweep long on any candles. I see some sell, buy.
Hold on a second. Let me take a snapshot and show you.
Okay.
Then tell me whether you're seeing the exact same thing, all right? gonna drop it in the chat.
All right, so right now it says entry 4693.75.
Okay, hold on, let me.
Says entry. Is that for a sell?
Where did you see entry at?
This is right.
43, yeah, 46, 43, 96, right?
4693.75.
0.75. But that entry was for, if you went over to the left, you see where it says break a structure and sell?
Yeah.
That was for that.
Oh, got it.
So
Okay,
you would
got
have
it.
entered at 93 and you would have taken it down
Yeah.
to take profits 46.82.
Right.
You see it? So
Yeah.
then if you see where that sell exited at 80.82?
Yeah.
You see where the buy liquidity sweep came in?
Yeah.
And then you take it up,
Yeah.
right? You would take it up to probably the swing high or the next resistance level,
Uh-huh.
right? When it's ready for another buy or sell, it'll flip it over. It might flip it down for a sell, you know what I mean? Or it might flip it up for a buy.
Got it. Okay.
All right. So now look at that thing I just sent you.
You sent it on
I
the
put
chat
it
here on
inside
Zoom?
the chat. Well, maybe I didn't send it yet. There it is. Tell me when you have it up.
Okay, yeah, I see.
All right, so you remember the 853, that sweep long I was telling you about?
Yeah.
That green, do you see it?
Oh. Hang on, 853.
All right, the easier way to look at the swing low at 46.70.
Yeah.
Take it all the way to the left. And do you see the green label?
Hang on. Oh, the swing low. Hang on, I don't have swing lows. I didn't put that indicator on this. Hang on.
No, look at it on my chart, on the picture I sent you.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Right. Now you see the swing long?
Yeah, I see it.
All the way to the left?
Yeah.
Right. So if you look at up above that, you see a sell stop, buy, break a structure.
Yeah.
Right. That was a sell that went from about 46.88 down to 46.70.
Yeah.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And right there, the swing long came in, which told me that sell was over.
Oh.
Even before even before I looked at the swing long. I mean, the swing long. That swing long. Hold on, I'm confused myself. You see when it comes down, that swing long label pops up.
Yeah.
That's telling me that the sell is over.
Got it. Yep.
Or if you were thinking about getting in there, you wouldn't have gotten in there because the swing long popped up. Right.
Right.
So then if you go over to the next one, you see break a structure and buy.
Yep.
Right, that's at 46.78. You could have taken that up to 46.86. Right?
Yeah.
Resistance. Now, if you would have taken a sell at the resistance, you would have got out at that buy liquidity sweep.
Yeah.
The yellow label, right?
Yep.
And you could have got out there, then you could have waited for the next break a structure and buy label, right?
Uh-huh.
And you would have gotten in at 46.79. You could have taken it up to that 46.86 again, which is still good pips, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Right. Now there's a swing, there's a short sweep, so you wouldn't have gotten into anything there. You would have got out of that buy, right?
Yeah.
Now you could have bought up here and stuff, but I only buy and sell on the sell and break a structure and the buy of break a structure. And I get out at those liquidity sweeps, or I might get in at the liquidity sweeps on the opposite direction. If you look to the right, the very last buy, break a structure and buy, which is like 46.92, you could have taken that up to resistance 46.98.
Right.
Still good pips, right?
Right.
6 pips, 5 to 6 pips.
Yep.
But it's clean because it's keeping me out of trouble.
Right.
You know what I mean? Now you can
So,
go for the take profits and stop losses, right? I don't really pay much attention to them because I'm basically watching the candles and how they react to the signals,
hmm
right? And sometimes when I'm looking at it, I can say, like, let's say, even though it's not going to show right now, but let's say take profit is 47.02, right?
yeah.
You did this at one of the trades, but I'm just going to make up these numbers. If it was 47.02, you got out, but I saw that the next one was 47.08. I stayed in and took it to the next take profit when you got out early. You
Mm,
follow what I'm saying?
yeah.
So it helps you stay in the trades too. Not only do it help you get in the trades right, it kind of helps you stay in the trades a little longer to get the maximum profit out of it.
I'm trying to
And if
put it on futures, but it doesn't work on futures, does it?
I haven't tried it on futures, but if you want, I can create it for futures.
Yeah. Why?
I'll
Why
just
would?
take. It should because I built it for XAUUSD,
Yeah.
right? Is that the same futures?
No, futures is GC. MGC.
Text me the futures contract, right? And when I get
Yeah.
up in the morning, I'll create it for a future. I'll create the futures version of it too.
Okay.
Because if you look at to the right, you see the dashboard.
Yeah.
So you see you're on a 10-second time frame. It'll tell
Yeah.
you the trend is bull, right? For the time frame for now is bull.
Yep.
The long high frame. Now, if technically you shouldn't be taking any of those sweeps or anything if they're not matching the trend.
Right.
So if you really want to be specific, you wouldn't take any sells if it's a bull trend, right?
Right. Right.
You got the Dixie, the yield, the real yield, the break of structures there,
Yep.
change of character, it's all there right in front of you, man. It's like really good, man. You know.
Yeah.
And the other thing you could do is if you click on it, I'll show you. If you go click on it, go to inputs.
A second. Inputs. Yeah.
And go down to signal mode.
Yep.
If you click on that, balance is what I have it on the 10-second, but you can actually put it on strict or ultra strict, and it'll limit the false signals and give you even cleaner entries.
Okay. I think I'll leave it on balance though.
Yeah, because balance is pretty good. I mean, you can see that it never gave any false signals here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now, remember that. Hold on a second. You know what your problem is? I know what the problem is. Hold on a second. You need to add one more indicator. That's the other thing you need to add. You ready?
Yeah.
Let me see if it's if I need to give you access to it or not. I think it's free. 1 second. You need to add add the coda support and resistance indicator.
Let me see if I can find it. Coda support. Okay, found it.
Because that's the one that's putting on some of those signals for the sweeps. That's why you didn't see it.
Oh.
It was my bad. So that's going to show you the green long sweep and the red short sweep short, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, got it now. Yep.
Yeah. And what you're going to also see with the original one, the Confluence one,
Yeah.
you're going to see it has its own sweep in it, right?
Mm-hmm.
You'll see it. It's best that you read the PDF tonight if you can.
Okay. Yep.
Right? Because those are going to show up as red, yellow and blue LQs.
Okay.
Right? For some reason, I don't know why they didn't show up tonight, but they will show up as yellow and blue SQs underneath above the candles, which also confirm. But if you just keep the support and resistance on with those green and red, sweep, sweep short, sweep long,
Yeah.
and they sell Baker structure and buy Baker structure, breaker structure,
Mm-hmm.
you can't be wrong. You know what I mean?
All right. So tomorrow morning, let's trade off of it a little bit and see how it goes.
Yeah, yeah. Let's do that.
Okay.
And I'll create one specifically for
futures.
for futures. Exactly.
Okay.
All right. Definitely.
Sweet.
All right.
All right.
Cool, man.
Cool. I'll catch you
Have a good
tomorrow.
night, man.
All right. You
Peace.
too.
You have the PDF to read up on it. All right.
You sent that to me the other day?
No, it's in the chat right now.
Oh. Let's
So
see.
just download it.
Oh, here it is. Okay. Perfect.
All right. All right. Cool.
Hang on. Wait a minute. Don't go yet. I need to save. Okay. Got it. Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
All right.
Cool.
You got it, man. Peace.
All right. See ya. Bye-bye. I'm gonna support. This was a bad trade. Getting used to those tonight. Take the 21 bucks. At least that puts me up for the night. Well, sort of. Okay, we've got 1 minute for 9:30. Would have taken more, but I'll take that. Taking a lot of trades tonight. That's 11 trades. I think we're still bearish, you know? Well, excellent track record tonight. You know, those 2 losses are too big. So I'm doing a little experimentation with that. Let me just finish getting my nut here before I call it a night. I'd like to short this, but sitting on a support. I'll take it now. I better get out. Took $18. Puts me at 110 up for the night. There we go. That's not that. Gotta know when to quit. All right, that is it for me tonight. So I will see you tomorrow, 7:45 a.m. back here for the New York session. All right. We will see you then.